every food factory has to balance speed and quality when making their products. Whether you are creating delicious hot dogs or a smooth plant-based spread, achieving the right texture is essential. If your equipment like the grinder isn't working well, it can negatively affect the look and taste of your items. Let's take a closer look at two important pieces of equipment in your production process: the mincer and the bowl cutter. Which one do you really need to keep your customers happy and your production running smoothly? Hello, I am Mateusz. I have a strong interest in technology that helps the food industry. I know a lot about machines used for processing meat and fish, how they work, how to fix them, and how to choose the right ones for different needs. I started AirFood Machinery to assist our clients in finding high-quality used machines that can help them save both time and money. Our team is dedicated to buying and selling these machines anytime and anywhere, whether in Poland, across Europe, or wherever our clients need support. Let's take a closer look at two machines used in preparing meat: the mincer and the bowl cutter. A mincer, also known as grinder, works by pushing raw meat through a metal plate with holes in it. This method is great for making items like classic burgers or minced meat, because you control the size of the pieces. However, one downside is that this pushing process generates heat. If the meats get too warm, the fat can start to break down, which can affect the appearance and texture of the final product. Plus, if you want to mix in spices or water, you will need a separate machine to do that. That's where the bowl cutter, often called a bowl chopper, comes in. This tool does three things at once. It chops, mixes, and emulsifies. This is especially important when making products like sausages, meatballs, or fish paste. The fast-moving blades blend everything together, making a smooth mixture that holds together nicely when cooked. But the bowl cutter isn't just good for meat. It works with vegetables and plant-based ingredients too. Whether you are making hummus, veggie fillings, or sauces, this machine ensures everything has a consistent texture, no matter what you start with. When you look at how these tools work, the differences become clear. A mincer is reliable for basic grinding, but it usually needs additional mixing and more handling. On the other hand, the bowl cutter simplifies the whole process. It can take raw ingredients and transform them into a well-mixed, creamy batch in one go. For someone in charge of a factory, this means fewer machines to clean, less space taken up, and much quicker path to producing high-quality food. If you are thinking about getting a machine for your business, you might already have an idea of what you need. The next big question is, how can you get it? In the past, many people would order a brand new machine, but these days that can take a lot of time, sometimes up to 1 year. A smarter solution is to consider high-quality used machines. Instead of waiting so long, why not get a tried-and-true machine that can be ready for you in just a week? When you choose inspected used or refurbished equipment, you can avoid the long waiting time. You will receive a machine that has been truly checked and is guaranteed to work well, helping you get started and make money faster. It's about getting your production up and running now instead of waiting until next year. Whether you need a strong mincer for grinding food or a precise machine for chopping ingredients, it's important to find one that you can rely on. On our website we have a full list of available machines in these categories, making it easy for you to find just what you are looking for. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you in the next episode.